I'm up here on the ladder. He's gonna get me some goggles so I can drill some holes in here, because I'm gonna use some bigger screws with round heads on there, and I'm gonna pre-drill it with the drill over there to get this box up in there. Okay, I'm gonna use the mounting holes for that, and it's gonna set right up in there. I could have done that before he painted, when I had all the electrical up there, but he was looking for a different box. We couldn't find a different box. We're using this pancake box right here. It'll be fine. See, other ceiling fan pancake boxes look just like this, except there's threads going all the way down to the box, all the way. But this one here will hold this ceiling fan just fine. Okay. All right, where's Marky at? Okay, it's time to install this pancake box. I call it a pancake box because it's only a 1/2 inch thick. We've got 1/2 inch sheetrock ceiling on here. The drywall is 1/2 inch, and you can use a 1/2 inch cut-in box or a pancake box like this on 5/8 too. Lots of times ceilings are 5/8. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this up here, and I had it pre-marked before, and I see where I want my screws. Actually, I'm gonna have to swivel that around because I have some pre-drilled holes in here, and that's just gonna mount. This is the rafter here, and I'm just gonna put a couple marks on here with my scratch awl because I'm gonna pre-drill this. Okay, I'm gonna take this back down, that, and I'm gonna grab a drill here. Thank you, Marky. And I'm going to pre-drill that. Make sure you wear goggles for this, okay? Okay, now, first off, I'm gonna look at these screws, because the screw is a lot longer than my drill bit, and so I'm thinking I'm gonna pull this out as far as it's gonna go. Okay, now it's gonna get my entire length of the screw. Had I done it the other way, it'd be harder to get the screw all the way in. Okay, so now let me get back up in here. Drill it some more here. I'm not sure if this bit, was this an 1/8 inch?
No, it's a little bit bigger than an 1/8 inch.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It should, those should go.
Yeah.
Because what I was thinking, maybe that was as hard as wood as we ran into up here.
Yeah, because I'm gonna need to get a different. Here, can you have my Phillips? Okay. I'm just gonna try this first. I probably should put a different bit on the drill, maybe. I don't know. This seems pretty good. If I had do you have an end on there?
Yeah.
To put a Phillips head?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do that. You can shut it off.